The white 9000 something, and then the yellow. And hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, what we're going to be doing is installing some HID LED lights on this car. And now on the headlights, this car it came with some regular halogen light. So now I know the thing is I'm not going to be able to change the projector, the case, but we are just going to change the HID lights for now because I do not know what route to go. So basically, to take off the low beam, all you have to really do is just twist this out and open and pull. I'm sorry, pull back. So let's go ahead and take a look at this right here real quick. It's kind of dated, pretty old. Go ahead and continue with this. So just make sure that this is on. This just comes off real quick. Just pull these tabs back and then you pull off. There you go. This is the tabs, these tabs right there, and then it's off. Right here. This on the connection. So let's go ahead and connect them. Yeah, and just make sure that you push in and you're gonna twist. High beam, this one is going to be your low beam, and I already took it out. So I'm gonna take out the low beam. We got it here. So just a good measure, you just test fit, real quick. Pretty much can't go wrong with how it goes. The light will have a little tab there. It's pretty bright if you ask me, pretty good. The white 9000 something, and then the yellow. All right everyone, so I'm gonna show you the brightness of these lights. So give me a sec. There you go. Now they're a lot brighter, and as you can see, it's not projecting very well because, of course, the casing itself